Me happy. I'm sad, but what makes me happy is that I was able to have a last minute, in the last minute, but it was almost an hour, a last minute meeting with President Putin, and I was able to communicate all the things that I wanted to tell him. Maganda naman ang positive naman ang results.
So message po sa mga kababayan natin.
Mga kababayan natin, do not be too scared. I'm going home. I'm cutting my visit here to be with my countrymen, and I will deal with the problem once I arrive. But let me just tell everybody that I have declared martial law for Mindanao. How long? Well, how it would take a year to do it, and we will do it. If it's over within a month, then I'd be happy. Pero ang martial law is martial law, ha? So kayong mga kababayan ko, you have experienced martial law. It would not be any different from what the President Marcos did. I'd be harsh. I was asked one time, I think it was during the campaign doon sa Lasal, I was asked how I would deal with terrorism, and I said I would be harsh. And sinabi ko nga sa lahat, do not force my hand into it. I have to do it to preserve the Republic of the Philippines and the Filipino people.
Thank you, sir.